Okay guys, so this is week 6, day 5, and I believe we did most of this work yesterday. Yesterday we were only supposed to write the equation, but we actually solved the problems. So you're ahead of the game. This should be just a repeat from yesterday. Same word problems, okay? Again, yesterday you were supposed to just write the equation, and today you were supposed to solve it, okay? So it says your 3-year investment of $20,000 received 5.2% interest compounded semi-annually. What is your total return? So we have 20,000, and then this is 1 plus your interest to get 1.052. And the formula we're using, let's see, where did it go? Is we're using the let's see if there's more room over here. We're using the semi-annual formula, okay? So you can see we plugged in P. We plugged in 1 plus R over, well, we did this part, okay? And then we put the 2 on the bottom. And then 2 is the formula, and then 3 is the years, okay? So if you watched yesterday, you can see that we solved this, okay? Lower this down here. So we put in what we just went over, right? And then remember this part goes before adding the 1. Okay, division before addition. Okay, so we wrote 20,000, okay, 1.026 to the 6th power, because it's 2 times 3 years, and we received 23,329.97. Okay. All right, for number 2, your 6-year investment of 40,000 at 14% compounded quarterly is worth how much? Okay, so quarterly, we have this formula. Okay. And I'm going to rewrite this one because I can't find yesterday's, okay? So we have a 6-year investment. We know T equals 6. And our P equals 40,000. And our R equals 0.14. And it's compounding quarterly, so we're going to use that formula. So we have, let's write it up here, 40,000. 1 plus 0.14 over 4, and then we have 4 up here, and we know that T is 6, so we're going to put 6 right there, okay? We're going to put this in our calculator, all right? We're going to get 40,000, 1.035, and then 4 times 6 is 24. And it's going to give us, let's see, did I not solve that one? Hold on. Pretty sure I have it from yesterday. Oh, I do see it. Okay. I'm just a little blind, I guess. Okay, so we end up with 2,193, or 2,139. 0.71. Okay. All right, number 3. You borrowed $1,690 for 5 years at 5.7%, and it's compounded semi-annually. So we're going to go back to semi-annually. So let's figure this out. What total will you pay back? Okay, so we're going to put, using this formula, 1690, 1 plus 0.052, that's our interest, over 2. And our time is well, for our formula, it's 2 because it's semi, twice a year. And then 5, it's a 5-year. Okay, so we're going to end up with 1690, 1.0285, and then 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, and then when we put that in our calculator, we're going to end up with 2,238.36. Okay. All right. For 4, you invest $1,900 at 4%. It's compounded semi-annually. So we're using this one again for 3 years. Okay. How much will your $1,900 be worth in 3 years? So we have 1,900, 1 plus 0.04 over 2. Again, 0.04 just means I converted that, okay, 4%. And then formula is 2, and then it's 3 years. Okay, and I'm going to combine that. 1,900, 1.02, and then 2 times 3 is 6. And when I do that, I get 2,139.71. Okay? All right, number 5. Your allowance of $190 got 11% compounded monthly. Okay? So now we're looking at monthly. Let's see. Let's put it here. That's easier to see. Let's put it right there. Okay. Okay. So your allowance of $190 got 11% compounded monthly for 2 years. So that's a pretty good deal. What is it worth after 2 years? So we have, for number 5, we have 190 for your P, then 1 plus 0.11, that's 11%, over 12, because it's 12 months in a year, and then the 12 goes here as part of the formula, and then we're talking about 2 years, okay? So we'll combine this, okay, 190, and then we get 1.00916, okay, over 20, or 24th power, because you have to multiply those together, okay? When we do that, I'm going to draw, well, maybe I can fit it here, $236.52, okay? All right, last one. You deposit $12,900 in a savings account, and it earns 5% per year, compounded quarterly. Okay, so we're not going to be using this one anymore. We're going to go back and use quarterly. Okay, so if you leave it in the bank for 10 years, how much will it be worth? Okay, so I'm going to put down our P, 12,900, parentheses 1 plus interest rate 0.05. Use your formula 4. That 4 goes there. And then your time is 10 years. Okay, so we're going to combine this information using our calculator and get 1.0125. And 4 times 10 is 40. Okay? So again, you're dividing this. Once you divide this, you add it to 1 and you put it down here. Okay? And then you put this in the calculator. We're going to get 2,1,202.69. So that is Math 1 ending week 6. Just a reminder, in your Google Classroom for your math teacher, they have it labeled week 8, I think. There are a few, so the worksheets are saying 1 week, the Google Classroom is saying another week. So just keep that in mind. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Please let me know. I know this is a little confusing, but it's the same thing over and over. So if you practice it and you're just plugging things in, and I think the only place you might get confused is using the calculator. I know a lot of you are obviously don't have this calculator at home, but if you go to your packet online and click Desmos calculator, it'll take you to one. Or, which is really easy, is you just Google scientific calculator and you'll be able to plug this in. Okay? All right, let me know if you have any troubles. I'll see you guys later. Bye.